So we'll be strumming like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, 2, 3, 4. Down, 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 down. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just the downstrokes only. No upstrokes. We don't strike the strings on the upstrokes, just the downstrokes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, 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 down. Down, 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 down. Down, 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 down. Down, down. So it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So let's practice that. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Only strumming on the downstrokes. Okay, ready? 2, 3, play. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and G. C at 9. G major. Down and down and down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So it's 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1E and a 2E and 3E and a 4E and a. Ready? So it'll be like this tempo here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 1E and a 2E and a 3E and. Play with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1, 2, So this strumming pattern will be using down, up, 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 down, up, up, up. Okay, so let's mute the strings, and so it'll be like this. Down, up, 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 down, up, 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 down, up, 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 down, up, okay. Ready? 2, ready, play. Down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, Okay, that's very good. We're going to play one more time, but we're going to speed up the tempo, okay, just a little bit. It won't be hard. 2, 3, 4. Okay, on today's lesson, our pattern, we're going to be using down, up, mute, up, mute, up, okay? Okay, and then when you see the word mute, we're going to be strumming downward on the word mute, but we're going to be muting the strings. In other words, we're not going to let the strings ring out. Okay, looking at the chord pattern below and using a G major chord, we'll play through it kind of slow, okay? We want to be changing chords. We're going to play each chord one measure each, okay? So let's play G major, going into C major, okay, and then back to G major, okay? So just back and forth, one measure each, G major to C major, and then back to G major, and just continue on, okay? So let's play this with a drum track, same speed. Okay, very good. Let's do it one last time. Let's speed the tempo up just a little bit. We've been playing 90 beats per minute. Let's speed it up to 120 beats per minute. So it'll be just a little bit faster. Pick up, and then we'll still be playing through the chords of G, C, and D, and back down to C and G again. 1, 2, ready, play. Okay, this song is in 6/8 time, so there's 6/8 notes per measure. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can still use the down up pattern. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. The song is very slow. I tend to speed songs up, and I shouldn't, but it's best to keep this song pretty slow, and has more meaning to that. But okay, we'll look at the strumming pattern for this song. This song is in 6/8 time. Most songs that we've been learning are in 4/4 time. Most songs are in 4/4 time, 4 beats per measure. Some are 3/4 time or 3 beats per measure. This one is 6 beats per measure, 6/8 note beats per measure. So you want to emphasize beats 1 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So the strumming pattern that I'll be using for this song is down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay. Okay, the strumming pattern for this song is in 3/4 rhythm, so therefore there's 3 beats per measure. So it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So we'll be playing 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3. Just simple down up strokes, down up, down up, down up, down up, down up, down up. Okay, as opposed to 4/4 time, 1, 2, 3, 4, like a lot of songs are played in. Okay, so 3 beats per measure, 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3. G, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, G7, 2, 3, C, 2, 3, 1, 2, back to G, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, D major, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, G, 1, 2, E minor, 1, 2, A7, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, D major, D7, 1, 2, stop. Okay. Okay, if you're new to this, just keep practicing. Hopefully you enjoyed this. If you'd like to see more videos like this, be sure and hit the like button. Let me know that you're enjoying these videos and like to see more of these. If you're not a current subscriber, please subscribe to my channel, and you'll be notified when new video lessons have been uploaded. It's free. Just simply bookmarks my channel and your subscription so I could easily be found. So have a great day. God bless you.